Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in today's session, we would like to learn about Arabic. Anyone have already learned Arabic before? The issue why it is significant to learn Arabic for Muslims is the first reason because Arabic is the language of the Quran. So we need to know Arabic if you want to understand the Quran. The second reason, it must be because Arabic is the language of the Sunnah. Sunnah is the saying of the Prophet Muhammad. If we would like to understand Hadith, then Arabic is very important. Well, in today's session, the textbook that we are going to use is this book. This is Al-Arabiyah Bayna Yadayk. This book is popularly used worldwide, including Indonesia. So there are many Islamic schools using this language to learn Arabic. Well, Al-Arabiyah Bayna Yadayk Al-Isdar Thani min Kitab al-Talib al-Awwal Al-Juz al-Awwal. In the very first stance, we would like to learn about Al-Hiwar. Anyone knows what is Al-Hiwar? Al-Hiwar means conversations. Yes. Okay. Al-Hiwar al-Awwal. So the method used by this book, there are three methods. The first, these signs. This is, this symbol is the eyes. So this ain means unzur, means see. And then this is the ear. It means wastami'. Wastami' means listen. And then this symbol means repeat. In Arabic we call it a'id. So in this hiwar, we would like to see, listen, and repeat. Once more, we would like to see the written of Arabic form, and then we listen and repeat. Okay? Yes, so this is the conversation between Khalid and Khalil. When we meet someone in the very first time, we would like to say salam. So in Islam or in Arabic, we say assalamu alaikum. Then Khalil will answer wa alaikum assalam. And then afterwards, Khalid will say ismi Khalid. My name is Khalid. Masmuk. What is your name? And then Khalil will say ismi Khalil. My name is Khalil. And then Khalid will then ask a question to Khalil. Kayfa haluk? How are you? Kayfa haluk? How are you? Kayfa haluk? How are you? And then Khalil will say bi khairin walhamdulillah. Bi khairin means good. Walhamdulillah, say praise to Allah. Bi khairin also means I'm fine, I'm good, I'm okay. And then walhamdulillah means praise be to Allah. Wa kayfa haluka ant? And how are you? Wa kayfa haluka ant? Wa kayfa haluka ant? And then Khalid will say bi khairin walhamdulillah. Simple, isn't it? It's very simple. So let's repeat once more. Do you remember our method we used for today? Undur, wastami, wa'id. See, listen, and repeat. So now, this is the key of learning a language is repetition over and over. Okay, let's start. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Ismi Khalid. Masmuk. Ismi Khalil. Kayfa haluk? بخير والحمد لله. وكيف حالك أنت؟ بخير والحمد لله. ما شاء الله. It's very simple and easy. If this one is a conversation or a hiwar between Khalid and Khalil, or hiwar بين خالد وخليل, in the next the next lesson, we would like to learn about hiwar between females. So indeed, is it any different between male and females? Yes, in Arabic, we have a difference between males and females. So let's see. So this is the conversations between Khawlah and Khadijah. الحوار بين خولة وخديجة. Khawlah will say Assalamu alaikum. It is the same as the previous one. Wa alaikum assalam. Then Khawlah will say Ismi Khawlah. My name is Khawlah. Masmuki. So this is the difference. If between males, you will say it Masmuk, Masmuka. If it is female, if your interlocutor is female, then you have to say ki, Masmuki, what is your name? And Khadijah afterward will answer, Ismi Khadijah. Ismi Khadijah. My name is Khadijah. Very great, mashallah. Next. Afterward, Khawlah will say, Kayfa haluki? How are you? Kayfa haluki? Ki, because the interlocutor is female. If our interlocutor is female, then we have to use ki. Kayfa haluki? Kayfa haluki? How are you? It is different to the previous one between Khalid and Khalil. Kayfa haluka? So you see the difference? Kayfa haluka? Because our interlocutor here is Khadijah and she is female, then we say Kayfa haluki? Easy, right? Okay. Then Khadijah will say Bi khairin walhamdulillah. And then Wa kayfa haluki ant? Wa kayfa haluki anti? Khawlah will say Bi khairin walhamdulillah. Okay? So that's very easy. Now we would like to repeat. Let's repeat the conversation between Khawlah and Khadijah. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Ismi Khawlah. Masmuki? Ismi Khadijah. Kayfa haluki? Bi khairin walhamdulillah. Wa kayfa haluki anti? Bi khairin walhamdulillah. MashaAllah, this is very easy. The easiest introductions between males and females. So that's it for today. Hopefully this video will be useful for you all. And thank you. See you tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.